Good evening, mga friends. Today we'll talk about moral leadership. What is moral leadership? Moral leadership is a kind of leadership in which you put your people or your constituents at the center of your decision making. You guide them, or your constituents with integrity, honesty, and a good ethical framework to do what is good for the majority. So in moral leadership, you make the people the center of your program, of your trust, and as a result, you inspire trust. And as a leader, you must show selflessness and fairness. So if you show them that you are fair and you are there to serve, selflessness, you gain your trust. You gain their trust. If you are a moralist kind of leader or you practice moral leadership, you are guided by a purpose. A purpose to You are guided by the purpose to serve. As a result, the society benefits from you and not for personal gain. So you are practicing moral leadership. You put your self-interest at the back. You put your personal gain at the back. You serve the people first, and the purpose is to serve. As a moralist or if you practice moral leadership, it should be based on values like integrity, honesty, and accountability. You must demonstrate to your people courage, patience, and empathy. Empathy means you put yourself to their shoes. You try to understand their needs. So, as a moralist or a moral leadership style, you must know what is empathy. Empathy is to be human. You must always have a human touch. So, you look at the aspirations of your people, their needs. So, as a result, you empathize with them, you know what they want, what they need, you can create an impact on their vision and their aspiration. You can help motivate them to reach their goals. As a moralist or a moral type of leadership, you must also be accountable of your action, accept mistakes. You must be responsible for your actions. And whatever the problem is, you must create solution to address the problem of your people and not run away from it, or you your focus is to run away from the problem. It's not good as a leader. In moral leadership, you should have integrity. Your name is very important. Integrity means, and if it speaks of your honesty, straightforward manner, or you must always be above board. Your conduct must be unquestionable. And as a leader, if you have the mandate of the people, you must be committed in serving them and treat them fairly. It's your lookout if you don't treat them fairly. People will get angry. As a leader, practicing moral leadership, you must uh, prac- you must know how to empower your people. You must know how to motivate them. You must support them in their aspirations. In that way, you can gain their trust and confidence. Once you empower them and they trust you, their performance will be different. They will be like you, willing to serve also, honest, and they will look up at you. So, as a leader, you must always remain humble. You must and easily to be reached by your people and constituents. If you are arrogant, people will not come to you. If you are arrogant, they will shy away from you. So sometimes as a leader, when you practice moral leadership, you must know how to do meditation and do self-reflection, and you analyze things, how the people react, what is the result of your action, and once the people are happy with your action, with your solution, with your attitude, they will always look up at you as their leader. If you practice the opposite of moral leadership, like you are arrogant, uh, always focus on your self-interest, and your acts or your decisions are always self-serving, so you forget the people and you always prioritize yourself, and you always practice deception, you fool the people, you deceive them on whatever decision you are making, you don't follow your commitments, you always breach the agreement with the people, you don't stand on your what you've decided, you are not fair to the people, you are unfair, they feel unfair with your decisions, you don't recognize the dignity of others, and you have no courage to face the injustice, you don't give justice to the people, people will not like you. And in the long run, you'll be surprised you're alone. Nobody will go with you. So, as a leader, as a manager, if you are handling people, you must practice moral leadership so that everybody is happy. Once your people are happy, you're also happy. The productive is great and efficiency of your workers are great. So thank you for listening, and you may share my video. Thank you.